Hi everyone, it's Ed again, your faceless YouTuber sharing my cactus and succulent journey. If you followed so far, we've covered plant choices and design tips. Now let's talk about the not so fun stuff, common problems, and what to do about them. Problem 1. Overwatering, the number one plant killer. Succulents and cacti are like camels. They store water, so they don't need much. If your plant's leaves look mushy, translucent, or fall off at a touch, you may have overdone it. Solution? Let the soil dry out completely. If it smells rotten or feels soggy, remove the plant, cut off rotted parts, and replant in dry, fast-draining soil. Problem 2. Underwatering. Yes, this happens too. Leaves shrivel, wrinkle, and feel paper thin. Solution? Give a deep watering. Soak the soil until water drains out. Then let it dry before watering again. Fun fact, some succulents puff back up after just one good drink. Kind of like me after a weekend barbecue. Problem 3. Sunburn. Too much direct sun, especially in summer, can leave brown, dry patches on your plant. Solution? Move it to a spot with bright, indirect light. If outdoors, offer some shade during the hottest hours. Problem 4. Stretching, or etiolation. When plants don't get enough light, they stretch out, reaching for the sun. Solution? Move to a brighter spot. Unfortunately, stretch parts won't shrink back, but you can prune and reroot the healthy tops. Problem 5. Pests. Mealybugs, aphids, and spider mites, tiny troublemakers that love juicy succulents. Solution? Blast them off with water, dab with alcohol, or use insecticidal soap. Repeat weekly until they're gone. Here's a joke. Why don't pests ever attack my plants? Because I keep them under plant arrest. Problem 6. Root rot. This one hides underground. If your plant collapses or wobbles, it might have rotted roots. Solution? Unpot the plant, cut away black or mushy roots, and replant in fresh, dry soil. Quick USA tip. If you're growing outdoors in places like California, Arizona, or Texas, watch out for heavy rains. Consider bringing pots under cover during storms. That wraps up part 4.
In the next part, we'll dive into propagating succulents and cacti. How to make more plants from what you already have. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. And happy planting!